Bonafide Hustler here, and today there's some interesting things going down, so I decided to whip out the camera and film some of it. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my office. We're about to go in the garage, get some things ready for eBay. I want to teach you guys some things about some recent finds that I found at garage sales in the past 2 weeks. It's sitting in my garage. I think we're gonna have a fun video. Make sure you hit the like button right now. That's right, everyone that's watching at this very moment. Hit the like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, check out the free guide down below because, you know, basically what I do on a part-time basis is I flip used items for cash. And you can learn this too. Get that free guide. First link down below and also the first pinned comment down below. But let's get in the garage and let's see some of the cool things that I can teach you a little bit about. Plus, we have to get 3 things labeled up for eBay and out the door. So yeah, a lot of things are happening today. And if everything goes right, we might even have a chance to sell a $150 BMX for around, I don't know, $500 to $700. So, you know, we'll see. It's listed for $700. Maybe I'll get $700. We don't know. We'll see. That'd be nice. All right, let's go in the garage. My garage is a total wreck right now. You have no idea. It's insane. I've bought some cool things. This is one of the cool things. I bought 3 of these things yesterday. $375. Stand-up paddle boards, professional grade ones too, like super good ones. See if I can kind of unzip a little bit here and you can kind of just get an idea of the caliber of the stuff that's in here. I mean, we're talking like super pro grade. Elua Makani, this is a local shaper out of Maui. And yeah, this board right here, this is the wood one, so probably, you know, $1,000 or $1,100 board. Not resale, but that's what it was new. I have a carbon fiber version of this as well. And I got a board called a Hyper Nut, which is a paddle board for, you know, surf and everything like that. I've got all 3 of those things in pretty mint condition for $375 yesterday, Facebook Marketplace. So I was building, you know, the next guide coming up, and I always get on Facebook Marketplace to look at deals, you know, going down in Austin, Texas. That was one of the deals that I popped on, and 3 big bags, that's the only thing. There's one over there, you can kind of see it in the corner as well. And the third one is out here because I was just showing E-Money this thing. The third one's out here and it's sitting in this bag right here. This is the carbon fiber one. It's really neat. I want to kind of show you a little bit. They come in these really awesome board bags too, which just helps protecting it, you know? So you can kind of see, here's another one. Yeah, so you can actually see the carbon fiber weave in the board the whole way. Anyway, it's pretty cool. So nice board and really everything, like the board bags, carbon fiber fins, leashes, carbon fiber paddles, like whole 9 yards, 375 bucks. So my thought on this is to probably sell my 2 current paddle boards that are in kind of rough shape for right around $375. And then these I will use here and there and then get a couple maybe to California where my parents live. Try them out. If they don't work out over there, then I'll just sell them. But I think considerably each one could sell for around 500 bucks. I think so, if everything goes right. There's a really big rainstorm coming in today. I got a mountain bike ride scheduled for around 2:30. It's an hour and a half from now. Try to get these boards in here. And then when I get back from Bentonville, Arkansas, that's right, I said Bentonville because I'm going there soon, and Eric, the college picker, is coming with me. So we're gonna go do some mountain biking out there, do a meetup as well. We'll be at Onyx Coffee, November 2nd, the one that's close to the Bentonville Square. We'll be there at 10 o'clock in the morning for about 2 hours on November the 2nd, which is a Saturday. So come say hi, meet and greet, and you get to meet College Picker and some guy called the Bonafide Hustler, who's like really badass. Oh my God, that guy's awesome. Just trying to navigate this garage. There are too many things out here. Oh my God. Too many boards, too many really good items everywhere. Some are personal ones, like this bike right here. And some are things that I'm probably gonna sell, like that Yeti bag right there. Okay, so one of the things I wanted to teach you guys about is this thing right here, which might sell today. This is a Skyway Street Styler. It's a vintage BMX, probably an 86, maybe 87 year, and it's a Survivor. I mean, we can all say this is Survivor because it's in pretty decent shape. I mean, this is the extent of the damage, which is not bad. It's got original Skyway wheels, really nice. Everything is Skyway. Everything's Skyway, really awesome handlebar. We got some Odyssey brakes, front, rear, everything. Beautiful bike, Dominator Pro seat, layback seat post. I mean, just a gorgeous find for 150 bucks at a garage sale. Listed it for 700 and we'll see if I get that. I will say yes to 5 though. I'll be honest, but you know, 700 would be sweet too. Don't get me wrong. Yeah, this is a pretty awesome Survivor. Anybody that's into BMX, I mean, this is just not something you see all the time. They make one called the Skyway Street Beat. I want to say there's 3 models that Skyway made back in the day. Skyway Street Beat, Street Styler, and there's one more. And this one's actually kind of hard to find, the Street Styler. So pretty neat, nevertheless, right? There you go. A little tutorial on how to kind of spot a nice vintage BMX. Vintage BMX too, like back in the day, they had these frames that kind of split off like this. You know, going down here, some were loop tail, where this just loops. But yeah, just a beautiful, beautiful bike, in perfect, in really good condition. Yeah, no gyro though, but still pretty cool. You can put a gyro on it. Pretty sweet. Okay, let's talk about the pipe lot that I got from the Goodwill the other day. If you watched my last vlog, went to a Goodwill, got this pipe lot. So I've listed this, which is a pipe stand already. I've listed all the smooth briar pipes all together. It's kind of like how they're on this side. I listed all the pipe tools together. And then I listed this as a lot right here, which are more rustic / maybe wire brushed briar, possibly wood pipes. So looks pretty good. I would love to do a skit and like actually put the pipe in my mouth, but yeah, I don't want to get some kind of Ghana syphilis herpa AIDS, you know, so I don't want any of that. But yeah, that's what's going on right here. That's kind of how I attacked it. We lotted this up, we lotted that up. This one got its own listing, and those pipe tools got their own listing as well. Also, some cool things that came with that paddleboard set. I mean, we got roof racks for aero rails, all these awesome leashes. Like, I mean, gosh, these leashes in the store would be every bit of like 40 bucks to 50 bucks a piece. Got some awesome fins, as you can see. Yeah, so those are carbon fiber fins right there. And then we got some FCS super specialty compressor carbon things as well. So these are fins, 2 sets. You can just see the price tag of just fins, for example, right? When you get into like performance anything, fins, for example, can be pretty expensive. So this came all with a deal, plus stock fins that the boards ever came with back in the day. There came with, you know, some more fins. And we have other things like this. I mean, this is all nice carbon fiber stuff, you know? All stuff that, honestly, I'm thinking about just making really awesome listings for the fins and seeing how far I can get with that. And then, you know, I look at every angle for the profit that's worth my time. This is my garage right now. I got a board there. I got a board here. The bike I'll probably be riding today. It's getting to be a headache. A crawler body. I think next to the crawler body is a fish pond fly fishing case that actually sold today. That was a $10 fine, sold for like over 140 bucks. So that needs to be boxed up. It's such an odd shape that it's gonna be tough to find a box for that. So I might have to poly bag it or something, we'll see. Other things that have sold, Patagonia Chinchilla fleece that I'm like, I think 15 or 17 bucks into, sold for 80. And then I got to locate that one. And then we also have, what else sold today? Oh yeah, something really cool that I bought in North Carolina. I never made a vlog about it, but I went to North Carolina. I bought this this green Masters jacket, blazer thing, like Augusta Masters, you know, golf thing, green with the patch logo. $8, and it sold today, this morning, for around 159. So that one I have to locate as well, and then we're gonna get them weighed, and then we'll put the stuff on them, and then we'll be good to go. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I gotta find a box for that guy right now. First world cheddar problems here, guys. So if you're enjoying these vlogs and you're learning some things, please hit the like button. Please put down, you know, in comments, maybe what your favorite kind of thing that you see around here is, because I know I got a lot of crap in this garage right now. I don't like it like this. I like it clean to where I can work out in it, but you know, sometimes when deals come, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the new eBay tape. Haha, I used my coupon on this stupid stuff. Oh, we got other colors too. Look, we got green, we got blue, we got yellow back there or something. So yeah, ladies, I got the eBay tape. Come on. You want to go on a date? That's right, I'm flossing my eBay tape. All right, so here's the fish pond bag. Boom, boom, boom. It's in there. And I'm thinking of probably just sandwiching it between 2 poly bags, you know? So get 2 of these big 9x14s. I think that's what I see. That's one of them right there. And the other one will be on this half. And that should be good to go. This is a travel fly fishing case, so it is built pretty hard anyway, you know? I think that'll survive. And just like that, we have a problem. Yeah, I think Pablo Escobar is going to be coming over and demanding something from me. No, but it fit pretty well. What do you guys think? Pretty cool. So like, you know, put one to here, put one to there. eBay tape in the middle. Looks pretty good. This one's ready to go. Master's Blazer's in there. It's actually in a shoebox, but it's priority anyway, so it doesn't really matter. They call it the shoebox. I don't think you really necessarily have to put shoes in it. What do you guys think down below? But yeah, always put priority on priority stuff. We also have a padded poly that has the Patagonia chinchilla in it. So yeah, that's what's going on today so far. Labels printed out, not too bad. I was able to get this one out the door around $11.50. The Patagonia chinchilla, $7.33 in shipping. And then this one, the Masters Blazer, I can't remember what that one was. I want to say it was maybe like 12-ish or something like that. So not too bad. And that's what's going out. We got to get that to FedEx, USPS. Gotta get my mountain bike rigged, do a ride, come back home, hopefully sell that guy. And yeah, I might actually start putting some of the pipes up in bags and stuff like that, put it in wherever it needs to go. So I'm all ready for the mountain biking real quick. And hopefully we can get that bike sold. I'm in my little garb. You can kind of see it right here. Got mountain biking shorts, some random socks. The bike's on the top of the car. I wish I could get my GoPro out and like film some of this stuff for you guys, but we're gonna jump to the aftermath, and then hopefully we'll get some cool stuff sold. Who knows what else might sell on eBay, you know, for example. But yeah, we gotta get some things done today, that's for sure. Okay, I am back from my ride. Hair is down, and I think the guy's gonna come to check out the Street Styler, which is sitting right there. Still a beautiful day outside, but it's gonna turn to absolute hell in about an hour. That's what the weather person says. You know, I always look at weather because it dictates, you know, getting in a really good mountain biking ride before the trails are destroyed, let's say, for the next 4 or 5 days. So, yeah, it's not the reason why we're going to Arkansas or Bentonville or anything, but it just happens that this really big storm's coming through Austin right before we're gonna leave. So, should be really cool to see Eric, the college picker, and hopefully some of you guys out there that know about the little micro meetup we're going to be having a week from this Saturday will show up, you know, come say hi to us and that kind of stuff. But yeah, should be able to make this deal go down. Here's the thing about this deal. I just got a text saying that if I don't sell this right now, there's a guy willing to Venmo me and money so he can pick it up on Saturday. Like, he's just going to Venmo the $700. So either way, this thing's going to sell for $700. So if this guy doesn't pay $700 cash, we'll get a Venmo for $700. Pay you now through PayPal or Venmo, hold till Saturday, LMK, blah, 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 blah. So there it is right there. Pretty cool, huh? Really trying hard to also find Eric, college picker, and mountain bike before we get down to Bentonville, because that's my cat, by the way. He has weird meows, by the way. But yeah, he could ride my bikes, which are, you know, they're tuned to my body weight and everything. Or we can go get him a bike, and then he could sell it for more money. This is what we're kind of organizing right now. I'm trying to find a better deal for him. Or we can rent a bike, and that's probably going to cost $300 to $400 to rent a bike for 7 days, you know. So these are the things that are going through our head. We can just buy a bike, you know, use it, and he could probably use it for a year and then sell it for exactly what he paid for it or more. And that's kind of like the goal. I mean, that's what we do. We're resellers. And you need to... Little cat. Man, you okay, buddy? Dang. What's wrong with you, man? Hey. What's the matter? Hey. Come here. Whoa. All right, whatever. So yeah, that's what's going on through our heads right now. It's always cool too. And he wants a mountain bike too, which is like a lot of fun. He wants to ride all over the place. So it'd be kind of cool to get into this bike that we found. Maybe I can see it tomorrow. $800. Gosh, $800, and it'll probably resell for around $800 to $1,000 in about a year or two, something like that. So pretty good investment, especially if you use it a whole bunch. Then it becomes like really fun. It's almost riding for free, or a very negligible amount of money, you know. All right, guy, you gonna come get this BMX? Where you at, huh? Where you at, huh? How weird would that be if he came over here and he was like, hey, you're the Bonafide hustler? I'd be like, oh. All right, so you can kind of see them. They're putting it in the truck right there. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see me right now, but the bike sold for $700. I also sold them another part that's probably worth about $100 on eBay. I sold it to them for $21. So $721, $150 bike. Yeah, great hustle, right? You guys let me know down below. Where's the cash anyway? Where's the cash anyway? Here it is. It's all right here. Cheddar, cheddar, cheddar. That is the deal of the day that went down. Not too bad. Looks like a bunch of 20s, but there's like a good stack of 100 somewhere in here. See? Here we go. Man, that was a nice bike. I ain't gonna lie, that was a cool bike. As soon as they saw it, they were like, oh my gosh. Like, I better get this before that other guy does. Now I gotta write back the other guy like, oh, they bought it, you know. He's not gonna be super happy, but then again, he's not here. And the time that you see something that you really, really want, that's when you go get it. You don't do stupid things and like, hey, will you take this, will you take that? If something is super good and you know you're never gonna see it again, you have to buy it that day. That's just how life works. So Imani and I went halvesies on that entire deal. There was actually a bike that day that, we bought that bike and another bike for 200 bucks. The first bike sold for 170. It wasn't anything special. You'll see the vlog soon. And then the other bike, which is the one I just sold, that one with everything else said and done, 721 bucks. So that's not bad at all. E-Money's gonna be super happy when I give him this cut. So hopefully I'll get that on the vlog, and then we can probably close it out and I can get this out to you guys. Because you guys love the vlog so much anyways, you know, because people that love my vlogs, they usually comment, they usually hit the like button, they do things like that. No, but honestly, like, I just wanted to teach you guys, that's a true vintage BMX. That's what you're looking for. Don't go for anything that doesn't look like that if you're starting out. Like, that's a really, really good style to just start looking for, you know, at your thrift stores, garage sales. Those things sell for absolute, those things are absolute cash cows, period. Even in like a kind of a barn type find where it has scuff scratches, you know, flat tires, like that's basically what that is. Sold for really good money. Get him, Austin. Hey, money. What are you doing?
Just getting back from dinner.
Why is your hair like all tossed up?
Because the windows were down.
Okay. Look at Imani's hair. Look at this one hair right there.
Does it look good? Oh man. This one?
Yeah.
That one?
We're about to have a CHEDDAR, Imani.
Oh shoot.
Look, for real, like look at the sky. Like there's like mad storm coming. Okay, so Imani, you ready? The bike sold.
Oh my gosh.
The BMX sold. With everything all said and done, because I had an extra deal on the side for a part that was there. Guess how much? $721.
What? What?
All right, so half of 721. There's 3. All right. 50. Actually, give me the 50 back. You basically get 360.
Oh my
gosh, right?
gosh.
Crazy, right? E-Money, what does it feel like?
Pleasure doing business with you. Yeah.
That was a crazy. See, this video is going to go out of sequence because that's a garage sale find that you'll see on a vlog that I'll edit probably tomorrow morning. So I'm going to get this one out this evening for you guys. But you'll see out of sequence. You'll actually see us find that bike and the other ones in a video. But anyways, pretty cool stuff. So I'm going to start packing for this trip in 2 days. But I wanted to tell you guys, thank you for watching this video. I know it's a little bit of everything. Hopefully you learned something. And I will see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Hit the like button. Take it easy. Goodbye.